The Human Touch Robotics introduces a fully automated grocery packing system. Our robotic system facilitates the automated handling of various SKUs. Whether they're packaged or fresh food groceries, we've got it all covered. The Human Touch Robotics system features adaptive gripping, capable of handling a wide range of fresh food items with ease. Our system enables the complete automation of both picking and packing processes, streamlining operations from start to finish. It's a plug-and-play system. Simply sit back, relax, and watch as your orders are seamlessly packed. Introducing Noise, a robotic cell for adaptive piece-picking order fulfillment. How Noise works. Noise receives an order, for example, from your WMS, ERP system, or directly from the website, and begins packing. Noise is comprised of three key components: an adaptive gripper named Dexter, an AI perception system known as DeepEye, and the Noise brain for path planning of robot motion. thtRobotics' intelligent AI perception software, DeepEye, facilitates efficient picking from cluttered spaces, such as crates full of items. Whether packaged groceries or fresh produce, DeepEye can identify them all. Being model-free, DeepEye enables Noise to achieve smart picking across various SKUs. DeepEye identifies and selects the optimal item for picking from a crate, conveying this information to the Noise robot. Utilizing our proprietary adaptive gripper, Dexter, Noise can pick and grip items, transporting them to the destination box for packing. Thanks to innovative technology, Dexter masters the adaptive gripping of various fresh food items effortlessly, mimicking human dexterity. Designed for smart picking, ensuring every pack is a success. Whether a single robotic cell or multiple, Noise is scalable to meet your needs. Automate your fulfillment center with Noise. Experience the future. Start automating today.